Hey, what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time seeing you, girl, hi, hello, I am Michelle and I am your best friend, okay? Previously, Elaine Michelle, but y'all know we on a new thing this year and we're trying to start anew. And what better way than to get us a new wig, okay? Get you a new unit. So today's video is brought to you by Vshow hair. I will have all of the links linked down below. Now let me preface and tell y'all, I tried to record this video before I went to church this morning because I was so like, this is going to be one of those easy wigs that I could just put on and go, okay? And it really was. But your girl forgot to turn the microphone on, so I got a bunch of, video footage with no sound. So I needed to redo it. So that's okay. We just gonna, woosah, breathe. I'm back home from church and I'm ready to go. So to get into it, let's talk about this unit that I have on my head, y'all. Look at this. This is 22 inches of loose, deep waves from Vshow hair. Listen, okay, now let me tell y'all something. Okay? This hair is giving, it's perfect for wherever I'm finna go, okay? Where I'm finna go to the beach. Am I going to the, in my head, I'm on the beach right now. I'm feeling, breezy like the wind, okay? But this hair is so pretty. And this is after me doing a little shigma shower, okay? At church and everything. And it's still on my head, sitting right. I think I did like this, a little tug and pull at church, but it's still sitting where it needs to. Let's talk about the specs. So like I said, this is 22 inches of loose, deep wave hair. My box is finna fall, y'all. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Okay, I love it. Now, this wig was pre-cut and pre-plucked. Now, I had never heard of a pre-cut wig before. Maybe I've been out the game for a while, but listen, Vshow hair know how to do it. Cut lace was just something new to me, and I don't know. I just hadn't known it was there. So let me show y'all. I'm gonna get kind of close, so don't mind me. I'm getting a little close out here. So this is when they say it is pre-cut. Like, y'all can't even. Okay, there we go. Can y'all see these edges right here? Okay, there we go. Getting in a little closer. So there are ridges on this here wig. And I'm going to put a close-up of what it looked like before. But this is... what lace, friends? What lace? I'm sitting here looking like, okay, I had to like play around with it. But what lace, okay? So the beauty of these units that are already pre-plucked and pre-cut is that you can just throw it on and go. And that's literally what I did this morning. So what I also did was I added my powder. So I took my powder inside, not only just on my lace cap, so they do give you a wig lace cap, but I also took it on the inside of the lace of the wig. And I mean, we friends, right? So let me do this real quick. Let me just show y'all how easy this was, okay? Woo! Take it off, okay? Cause we real out here, okay? So since we gotta redo it, y'all finna get this redone. All right, so this is what it looks like here when it comes out of the package, right? But then I added my foundation, just a little powder, okay? Not too much. Don't go too much on it. But put just your little powder on there, and this is going to be what blends it into your skin. Look at that. You can already tell. And I didn't have to pluck any of the parting spaces that's in there right now. Like, there was nothing to be done. It was already created for me, which I love. I can always go back in and pluck. But it came with this HD lace wig. Actually, let's pause for the cause. Let me show y'all what all came in the package, okay? So this was the box, and then it came with Vshow. It came with the hairband. So I love these. This is perfect for laying down if you want to melt your lace down, whatever you want to do. Put a little mousse on it, give you some baby hairs if you need a little extra. This is going to do that. The baby hair layer, the edge layer band, whatever you call it, this is that one, okay? All right, it also came with some mink lashes, and y'all know I love me a good pair of minks. These are great to keep in handy, travel with in the event that your individuals or, your extensions may go by the wayside. This is perfect to have. And then they gave you the HD wig cap. Now, I was just introduced to this wig cap about maybe a week or two ago, and I was like, where did this come from? This is so dope. So what it is pretty much like the lace that you would see on your wig. It's in a wig cap, so it's just giving you that double protection, okay? Like that double layer, and I love it. So it also came with your instructions on how you can, first of all, can we talk about how cute this is? Come on, melanin. Okay, Okay, this is so cute. But it also comes with hair tips on how to care for your hair in there, how you can follow them on Instagram. Make sure you do that. You can do a giveaway, like so. All of this stuff will be linked down below, and I love when they come with the instructions for how to care it. Now, how to care it, how to care for it. All right, so here is the wig. Now, on the inside, there are no combs. So if you have issues with combs kind of being kind of irritating once it's on your head for a while, listen, this ain't the one, okay? But it comes with this elastic band. Now you can tighten it, loosen it, however you need it. Contrary to popular belief, your girl actually has a smaller head. So I like when they come with enough elasticy stuff so that I can get it to fit as snug to this head as possible. Don't come for me in the comment section about my head being big, okay? I promise y'all it's a little smaller than you think. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and put this on so I can show y'all just how easy it was. I did not have to cut the lace. I did not have to do anything besides adding a little powder on it, and that's because I like it to match my skin tone. So if you're a little lighter than me, you might could get away with not even having to do anything because it's just coming how it's coming. All right, so let's add it on here. So I'm just taking it, put it like this, bring it around town. Okay, whew, all right. Let's see what we got going here. Don't want to make it look like my forehead caving in, okay? I want to make it look realistic. So we go like this, and I can kind of see exactly where I want to make sure it lays. And check my ears over here. Do a little rombaroo, little shake-a-doo, a shake-a-doo too. Just make up words as you go, you know, pretty much that's what we do. But yeah, so as you can see, it's right back to where it was. It's giving a very natural hairline. And so once you put it on your head, you can also, let me grab my makeup brush back, okay. So once you put it on your head, you can also do this. Take your makeup brush and you're just going to apply that like this, like that, okay, right there at the edges, and this is going to be what melts that in. So I had already done that, but I'm just giving y'all the tools, okay? I'm just showing y'all what you needed to do in order to achieve this right out the box. So 5 minutes and you can achieve this look. I'm just saying, y'all, my code is down below. Don't sleep on Vshow hair, okay? This is probably the easiest unit I have ever had, minus my headband wig, okay? Like, this is the easiest one to just put on and go. You can also, let me show you more parting space over here on the side. So if you want to, you can do a little, you know, shink the dink to the side. You don't have to keep it right there if you don't want to, okay? This is all in my face, but you can switch sides if you need to, if you're more of a side part type of girl, okay? We got different types of girls here, but I love a good middle part, so I'll probably switch it up as I get tired of the style. You can also, you know, be mindful of where it stops at, where that lace stops at, but you can do a nice little, you know, twisty bob back here, and boom, you know, you create you another style. Like, just, you could play around with it is what I'm getting at. And I think this hair is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I keep continuously doing this. I keep trying to play with it just to see if it's shedding. And I have had very minimal shedding. Like, here's one, this is one piece. And honestly, it's shedded because it got caught in my nail. Like, that's it, y'all. Just this one little piece on my hair. So I love a wig that does not shed. This hair feels so soft. Y'all can feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Look, it do move. And do, look at that. Look at that curl pattern. Oh my gosh, y'all. So yes, Vshow hair for the win. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I love it. I cannot wait. Like, I got a few more videos I'm about to record. So y'all finna get this wig for probably the next week or so. It's gonna mind its business on my head. It is. I gotta go, but I love y'all in real life. Make sure you use my link down below and check out Vshow's Instagram and all of that stuff. Like, listen, if you don't do nothing else today, hit the like button, subscribe, as well as the notification bell, and don't forget to go check the link out below and tell them I sent you, okay? I love y'all in real life. Mwah. KK, bye. Hey.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing.